Yeah, about to head over.
Do they want to do that for the 1 year your wife It's like two shift there on the left, so it's like what
It's got the custom oiler to pump oil up to the heads. Keep it cool.
That is badass. The naughty girl.
Wait, never gonna go.
275. 275. It took you to 75, 75. It took 75, 75, 75. It goes to 75. It goes to 275. It took 75, 75, 75, 75. It took you to 275. So, $250. Thank you.
Yes, close to the Arctic Circle, the man named Pekka Vandermaan. Pekka is so committed to the Pinstripe Legends. Every year he sends a panel, and item number 10 has been sent to us from Finland. It celebrates Todd Henson being the Legends for 2022. Convex Pinstriping, cartooning, pinstriping, the whole package right here, all the way from Finland. Pekka Vandermaan, I think it was started at $300 for shipping.
$300 is right. It's $300.
Like the cleanest fuel injection system you've ever seen in your
Oh, I'm in trouble now. I found the spot where I ain't even supposed to be. I found the spot where I ain't got no business being, y'all. They gotta take my credit cards, bro. I only got a couple dollars in cash on me, but with my wallet, I'm about to give to you, right? You better keep your hand down for better lower your arms, sir. For he's talking about $75 right here. Yeah, to paint them is the bullshit.
Yes. Third weekend of May.
Battery.
The bolt action rifle in the back.
I got a level / tape measure keychain. Over here. You guys have seen this before, the no-go boost.
2 left.
Right there. Shout out to Remy Battery, a staple for a long time now. Remy Battery. About to get the lowdown on all the car shows. We learned about 12 other car shows already. Bug fest. Look, the classic staple, y'all. Herbie, still with the Chipotle on the driver's seat. How could you go? How could you go wrong? It's a stroker though. It ain't even the 383 stroker. Damn. Still nice.
Really nice.
Like beauty.
There's something you need to see here. It's something you probably never saw in your life. Roller rockers. That's old school, high tech. Scorpion manifold, building corded head. where we spent our money. Cams and lifters. Look at those lifters.
Man,
We just look at this. I probably scrap heads. That's what we're going to do. Because that run valve is all screwed up.
this is where the I'm a big mechanic now and a YouTuber, and that's how me and my dad started. Same thing. He's come over here and explain the engine to me and do the same thing. We'd stare at this for hours and just talk.
Coil on here, do they?
No, right here, back to just the base and distributor.
Yeah.
It's all original.
All original, huh?
It's back to factory original.
You wanna know what's funny, sir? It's a four-banger. You know what they would pay? You know what the tuner kids would pay for one of these? In a Honda though. You never known a Honda to have engine in the back. Of course, you know it's not a real NSX unless it's got the shit on the other side. It's gotta have left hand steering, right hand steering. Nice, sweet, right? Like it? Yeah. Want one day? I'm not gonna lie, it's right. That's a put me in a Honda. I wanna drive a Honda. Baby, you can eat that. It's too hard.
Take that over for any day because it's reliable.
Yeah.
Oh, Supra. Sell it for Supra.
Now this is what they'll pay an arm and leg for. They'll sell their mothers for this car.
No doubt.
Super.
Look at all that money. All that money and no timing cover.
No timing covers.
No, I know.
Change it every time you race.
I know. All right, we going to the hot rods now.
That's awesome that the timing covers open.
I gotta get this shit. Hell no. Who needs to steer? You don't need to stop or steer, just go. Thank you. That boy got 5 rings like Kobe. Ooh, Barracuda. From the Chi-Town car. Okay. I see it, Chicago.
That's how you get the hood out that other car.
We have one of these.
K5. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, I was gonna say, don't grab it. Boy, look like Kobe, don't he? You got 5 chips.
That's called finger bang. That's what we call it, the finger bang. Each, that's pretty much. How much for the bag? 25 for the bag. That's normal.
Pack a bag and never come home. Bed in the back. Bro, they live.
Gasoline station, car on his own time.
All right, so this will be Twins' pick of the day. The 1967 Buick Grand Sport with a 376 LS. And last but not least, L Mechanics pick is the 73 Duster. Both just because I love it. In and out. From the orange to the 408. Wile E. Coyote, how could you go wrong? The Mistress, I mean, what an alias to go by. And just the origin story. Great classic of rags to riches. Old beater that they turned into something beautiful. And that's what this car shit's all about. Had a beautiful episode. As always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for enjoying the world of cars with me here in Milwaukee. I'll see you on the next one. L Mechanic, baby. Big Chris, you could never tow nothing in something that clean. You wouldn't know what to do.
Or the Duster.
I like the Duster the best, personally. All right, Pop's pick of the day is going to be the Hitman, which is the beautiful 1969 Camaro. I think my favorite car is the Duster of the day. What was your favorite ride?
It's two though.
This one's Pop's right here. We're gonna go our way to Pop's. Pop's favorite ride of the day.
To save us some time, I'm gonna pick the closest one over here that I like. See that Buick over here.
Okay. This is Pop's pick for the best car in the house. The Hitman. And Twins' fave was the old Greenie. Twins' pick was this guy. The Water Winter Wonderland. All right, Facebook, we came, we saw, we conquered. OG was with me, Twin always is with me, Niece was with me. Say bye, Niece. Say bye.
Later.
Say bye. Say L Mechanic. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye, babe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.